Toyota just dropped something that could shake up the electric SUV game, and honestly, it's about time. This is the all-new 2026 Toyota Urban Cruiser, and it might just be the electric crossover you've been waiting for. Let's talk size first. The Urban Cruiser sits in that sweet spot, measuring about 168 inches long, making it slightly bigger than the Yaris Cross, but still perfectly manageable for city streets. What really catches your eye is that aggressive hammerhead front-end design. Those striking LED lights that sweep across the entire width of the rear hatch give it a presence that punches way above its compact dimensions. You can spec it with either 18 or 19-inch alloy wheels with full covers that aren't just for looks. They actually improve aerodynamics and efficiency. Now here's where Toyota got smart with their battery strategy. You've got two lithium iron phosphate battery options to choose from. The smaller 49 kilowatt-hour pack is front-wheel drive only, pumping out 144 horsepower. Step up to the 61 kilowatt-hour battery in front-wheel drive, and you're looking at 174 horses. But the real party piece is the all-wheel drive model with that bigger battery delivering 184 horsepower. That rear motor adds genuine SUV capability with features like trail mode and downhill assist control. Range-wise, Toyota is targeting around 250 miles with the larger battery and front-wheel drive spec, and about 220 miles in the all-wheel drive version. Not class-leading, but perfectly adequate for daily driving and weekend adventures. Plus, fast charging gets you to 80% in just 30 minutes, which means you're not stuck at charging stations forever. Step inside, and you're greeted by a spacious cabin that benefits from a dedicated EV platform. No transmission tunnel eating into your space means Toyota engineered a sliding rear seat system that lets you prioritize either passenger legroom or cargo space. The dashboard features a sleek setup with a 10.25-inch digital driver display and a 10.1-inch touchscreen that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's even ambient lighting with 12 color settings if you're into that vibe. Safety comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense, including adaptive cruise control, pre-collision system, and lane keeping assist. Higher trims get you goodies like a 360-degree camera, JBL sound system, and power driver seat adjustment. Here's the reality check. The Urban Cruiser launches in Europe in late 2025, and right now, there's no word on it coming to North America. That's a shame, because at an expected starting price around £35,000 in the UK, this could be a seriously compelling package. The combination of Toyota's legendary reliability, genuine SUV capability with that all-wheel drive system, and a flexible interior wrapped in sharp styling makes the Urban Cruiser a legitimate contender in the crowded compact electric SUV space. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.